Hey guys, this is Peco. Welcome to UnitedStar. Our factory is located in Zhongshan City. In this city, with 45 years history of producing air conditioner and fans. There is a portable air conditioner manufacturer known for its leading technology and excellent quality. Today, let's walk into the UnitedStar factory, and then I will explore the secrets behind the production of air conditioner. Now here we go. Now we come to the motor workshop. Here we produce the whole part of portable air conditioner. Next, we come to another workshop. Here we manufacture condensers and evaporators for air conditioners. Through precision processing and strict quality control, we produce efficient, energy-saving condensers and evaporators to ensure the best cooling and heating effects of air conditioners. Now, we are in the injection workshop, which is a critical stage in the production of air conditioning casing. At last, we come to the assembly workshop. Here, each air conditioner will undergo strict assembly and testing. From the compressor to the condenser, every part has been carefully tested to ensure the performance and quality of the air conditioner. After assembly and testing, brand new portable air conditioners were born. They will be sent around the world to bring coolness and comfort to users. At UnitedStar factory, we use technology to build every air conditioners. We firmly believe in quality first. We provide the highest quality products and service to users. Thank you for your attention and support to UnitedStar factory. We're looking forward to working with you and create a better future. See you next time. Bye.